pull over when I see that sexy face. I tell her, hey girl, pull over when I take you to my place. I go make you scream, na 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 na. Yeah, that beauty from Ghana. She told me that she wants my banana. Yeah, Rihanna, na na na. See the bad girl, she drive a Range Rover. So I told her, baby, pull it over. I told her to my crib, you should come over. She says that I'm on me to take me home, oh na na na. And baby, boy, she ready, I go ha mama. Lord knows I go take you to my mama. I get a run mad when I see your sexy face. Girl, pull over when I see that sexy face. I tell her, say, girl, pull over.
It down for years, holding back my tears. My heart was just an untold story. You always made me feel I had nothing to give. My mind was weak and I let you mold it. But finally I took a chance on me and played a card. Now baby, baby, please listen carefully. There's something I need to tell you. Forget you right now, forget you right now.
Take a ride with your nigga, take a ride with your nigga, take a ride with your nigga, won't you ride with me? Take a ride with your nigga, take a ride with your nigga, take a ride with your nigga, won't you ride with me? Take a ride with your nigga, take a ride with your nigga, take a ride with your nigga, won't you ride with me?
Take a ride with your partner, my nigga, you know what's
I fell for your pretty little